Hello everyone, my name is William Fry. I'm majoring in economics. This is my first semester here at USF, and I transferred here from Hillsborough Community College. I'm originally from New York, and this is the importance of innovation. What did I learn while doing all this about creativity and innovation? William Bomo once said, virtually all of the economic growth that has occurred since the 18th century is ultimately attributable to innovation. I personally have never realized the importance of innovation and creativity and the impact it has on human life since the early ages of time. When looking at creativity, you overlook how it makes the world go round. Almost every single thing we use and see has come from some sort of idea, and that stems from the creative mind. It is unbelievable to realize that and how important it has been. Inventions and growth over time, societal growth, all becomes greater through creative thoughts and ideas. Innovation as a whole isn't understood to the fullest as it should be. Innovation and employment, and how I use my creativity in my future career. As stated in the Managing Innovation video, quote, everyone is capable of innovation and open-ended problem solving. This will make my creativity levels essential to standing out amongst my peers in my future job hunt. My personality is a key factor, enhancing my creativity and having more ideas and abilities to problem solve. Knowing that I can potentially impact the world in unbelievable ways through my creativity and creative thought process will allow me to become successful at my future job. Creativity causes motivation and drive, not just survival, but conquering. Innovation will allow my creative mind to stand out, becoming more successful. Everybody has creative tendencies and problem-solving ability. Knowing that will allow me to work harder, smarter, and will also allow my ideas to become that much more creative to stand out. What did I learn about my creative self? A quote from the text. When facing a predicament or an opportunity, it is an awareness of the situation that serves as a catalyst to creative thinking. In the case of predicaments, lack of awareness may result in a catastrophic situation. Reading this in the text made me realize that when I get distracted and am not fully aware of what I'm doing, it affects the outcome. Whether it's school, sports, or video games, when I am distracted, it 100% affects my result in negative ways. It also causes me to miss out on something said or done. Sometimes when I'm doing schoolwork or even at work in general, my mind, I tend to get caught off guard. You will always produce way less when distracted. What creative skills will I need for my future career? I've always had an issue with presentations. When I'm in front of a crowd or even doing a project where my peers view it such as this, I get nervous and in my own head. Presentations and public speaking not only show the work I have put into the project I am doing for my peers to view, but causes me to think rapidly. When I have to think and act on the spot, sometimes my mind can race too rapidly, causing me to make mistakes and tense up. I plan on working in some sort of sales when I get older, after college, as I know I am a fast learner, competitive, and very outgoing. I will need my presentational skills to improve if I want to be able to sell products, and I will have to be more comfortable in front of individuals and in groups of people.